Hello and welcome to your Saturday evening forecast brought to you by the Met Office. It's set to turn much hotter across the UK through the early part of next week. More of that in just a second. But as for the rest of this weekend, much of England and Wales will get away with a dry and fine day on Sunday with some sunny spells. But across Scotland and Northern Ireland, we'll start to see some outbreaks of rain developing through the day. The pressure sequence should explain why then. We've got this ridge of high pressure trying to build in across the country on Sunday. But across the northwest, we start to see weather fronts spreading in from the Atlantic, bringing outbreaks of rain through the day, and more tightly packed isobars will bring more of a breeze here as well. But through the rest of Saturday evening then, we end the day with some warm sunshine across many areas, with most of the daytime showers fading away. And overnight, most places will be dry, just a bit more cloud across parts of the west, with just one or two isolated showers here. Despite the clear spells elsewhere, it won't be a particularly cold night anywhere. These are temperatures in towns and cities, but in more rural spots, just about falling into single figures. So most of us will get off to a dry and a sunny start on Sunday morning, and we stay dry and fine for much of the day across England, Wales and across eastern Scotland as well. A bit of fair weather cloud bubbling up through the day that could just give just one or two isolated showers in the west. But as I said, most of us will stay dry and bright throughout the afternoon. But it's a different story though, as I said, across Northern Ireland and Scotland, as we see outbreaks of rain pushing in from the west, particularly heavy over western hills of Scotland, and more of a breeze here developing through the day too. So highs of 17 to 19 degrees will feel quite cool, but come further south and east though, in that sunshine and those light winds, feeling very warm indeed with temperatures into the mid-20s. So we head through the rest of Sunday into the evening and overnight then. Further outbreaks of rain affecting many northern parts of the country. We have a heavy rainfall warning in force for western parts of Scotland. Could bring some localised impacts here. Turning quite wet across Cumbria as well. Come further south, more cloud, more of a breeze, but staying generally dry throughout the night. But then we start to see changes in the weather into the early part of next week. We still have this weather front affecting many northwestern parts into Monday with some further heavy rain here. But elsewhere though across the country, pressure will start to build, winds will come up all the way from the south, and that will drag in some very warm, hot conditions across the country by Tuesday and Wednesday. In fact, by Wednesday, we could see highs in the south approaching 33 or 34 degrees, would you believe? And even across northern Scotland, temperatures reaching the mid-20s, so turning very warm across the country. So lots going on with the weather in the next few days. As I said, plenty of sunshine on the way, very high temperatures indeed. For more information, you can always follow us on social media, and I'll see you again soon.